really quick one. It's that time of year where different deaneries start putting on or hosting online information events for public health specialty training within their local areas. Now, in my opinion, these aren't very well publicised, certainly not very well publicised nationally. And if you're not already on the distribution list or the email thread isn't passed on to you, it's very likely that you'd never know about things that are going on outside of your area up and down the country. So for instance, if you work within public health in Yorkshire and Humber, you'll probably receive information about their information event, their online webinar, which I actually attended last year, and I found it incredibly useful just to get that information about what the training program is, information and insights and advice and tips and knowledge from current registrars that have been through the application process. That I found that really useful preparation for my own kind of application, essentially. They also have the information event from the year before, 2021. I think they have that on YouTube and on their deanery website as well. But there are information events that go on, like I say, up and down the country, elsewhere. They are worth attending if you're considering applying for public health specialty training program. If I'd have known that there were information events in, I don't know, 6 different places online virtually, I'd have attended them all, just to get as much information as possible. Knowledge is power, and it's all about preparation, in my opinion, for the application process, especially. I mean, yes, there will be a lot of information that is repeated, a lot of it will be the same. However, there will be differences, and there'll be little nuggets, little bits of information you can pick up from each, and specific advice that you get from each that will benefit you in the application process. So although it would be a little bit of a bore, if I was applying this year again, I would, like I say, attend them all, basically. Try give myself any possible advantage, or at least make sure that my understanding and my preparation is as good as it possibly can be. And bear in mind, you can ask questions too, usually in the chat, because they have everybody muted usually. So, if you've got any specific questions or things that you need the answer to or want the answer to, you can just ask them, and you'll get an answer, essentially. So I'm going to put all the links to the various information events that I'm aware of, and I'm aware of 5, I think. So I'm aware of the Yorkshire and Humber, the North West, the North East, Wales, and 6, London, 5 or 6. I'll link in the description to all the ones that I'm aware of in terms of the date, the time, and the key contact email, and or the link to register for those. So that's it. Get signed up if you're interested, and if you do know of any other events that are taking place, please share, because like I said in my first point, I don't think they're very well publicised, so this is a video to try and improve that slightly. But yeah, good luck with it. Bye.